Every single day, this factory transforms mountains of fresh bananas into millions of crispy banana chips. But here's the incredible part. Peel, slice, fry, season, and package thousands of chips every single minute.
Banana chips may look simple, but producing millions of perfectly golden chips every day requires precision, timing, and some surprisingly advanced machines. Let's go inside.
Everything begins with fresh green bananas. They are perfect for chips. Every batch is carefully inspected. Even small bruises can affect quality. Next comes one of the most labor-intensive steps: peeling thousands of bananas. Many factories combine skilled workers with automatons to keep production moving non-stop.
Now comes the most important step: precision slicing. Every slice must have exactly the same thickness. Too thick and the chips stay soft. Too thin and they burn instantly.
This is where the magic happens. The slices enter giant frying tanks filled with hot vegetable oil. The bananas to beautiful golden chips. The chips move into giant rotating drums coated with carefully measured seasonings, cheese, chili, or traditional Indian masala. Every chip receives an even coating.
The chips are automatically weighed, filled, nitrogen flushed to stay crispy, heat sealed, and packed into boxes, ready for supermarkets around the world. Every hour, thousands of bags.
From fresh bananas to perfectly crispy snacks, every bag represents an incredible journey of engineering, precision, and which part amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments.